Hi everyone, welcome back. I have a couple of lovely pancake recipes on my channel, and today I'm going to share with you my favourite cinnamon roll pancakes served with a cream cheese glaze. If you've never tried these, give them a go, they're delicious and you're going to love them. Time to get started. We're going to make the pancake batter first. Place sieved self-raising flour, sugar, salt and baking powder into a bowl and mix together. This is just a basic pancake mixture, and we're going to add a lovely cinnamon filling to it while it's cooking. Next, pour milk into a separate bowl, add in the melted butter and 2 eggs and give them a good mix together. We can start adding the flour mixture now, whisking it in until well combined. To make the cinnamon filling, place light brown sugar, melted butter and cinnamon into a bowl and mix it together. Pour this into a squeezy bottle or a piping bag, whichever you want to use. And that's it. To make the pancakes, heat a little butter on the pan, and when it starts to sizzle, add a scoop or 3 tablespoons of the pancake mixture to the centre. Swirl in the cinnamon filling from the centre of the pancake out like a cinnamon roll. After 2 to 3 minutes, you'll see the sides form a skin and little bubbles, and when they start to burst, you can flip it over. Cook for a further 1 to 2 minutes. Look, we have a cinnamon roll pancake. It's lovely, soft and fluffy. To go with the pancakes, we're making a cream cheese glaze. This is gorgeous. All you have to do is mix together melted butter and full fat cream cheese until it's soft. Add in the icing sugar and vanilla extract and mix again until everything is combined. If you like your cream cheese glaze to be a little runnier than this, then you can add some milk and just mix it in. Before you serve, drizzle over the cream cheese glaze and sprinkle over some chopped pecans. Just look at them, don't they look great? These cinnamon roll pancakes are gorgeous. There is a little extra work making them, but it's definitely worth the extra time. You'll find the recipe for these cinnamon roll pancakes in the description box under the video. Hope you try them out. Thanks so much for all your support. I do appreciate it. Happy baking everyone. Enjoy!